Hey there, welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, we're going to show you an important feature that you might not be aware of, but could potentially be a lifesaver: the Emergency Liftgate Safety Release. If the electronic liftgate has failed in your Kia Sportage, and you can't open it from the outside, you can quickly and easily open the liftgate from the inside using this simple procedure. Let's dive right in. The Emergency Liftgate Safety Release lever is located on the bottom of the liftgate. The first step is to remove the cover that's hiding this crucial release lever. Look for a small plastic cover at the bottom of the liftgate, which you can pop off with your fingers or a flat tool. Once the cover is removed, you'll see the emergency release lever. It's a small, easily identifiable handle. Now, here's the important part. To unlock the liftgate, you need to push this lever to the right. This action disengages the locking mechanism. With the release lever pushed to the right, the final step is to push up the liftgate. You might need to use a bit of force, but it should open relatively easily. And that's it. You've just learned how to use the Emergency Liftgate Safety Release in your Kia Sportage. Remember, this feature can be a real lifesaver in critical situations, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it. We hope you never have to use it, but it's always better to be prepared. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Wheel Joint for more helpful tips and tutorials. Drive safe.